Welcome to the channel, everyone. It's Michael Tharp, EDU. It starts with you. Today we are going to dive into the Pulsara DAX, or most people would call it a DEX. If you guys watched my video about getting the airdrops, we're going to show you how to use those tokens now to earn more yield and what some good plays might be with this brand new ecosystem. Now, the first thing I want to make sure you guys are aware of that you didn't forget is there's actually 4 airdrops. Now, you had to qualify for the first one to get the other 3. So if you weren't following my page and you missed that airdrop, that's where you want to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on free money again. But the next snapshot is April 18th. So put that in your calendar. And you don't want to move more than 10% of your Coreum or your Sarah token that you were airdropped. So most of my wallets, I got about 5,000 Sarah. So if I go below 4,500, I'm going to be disqualified from that airdrop. So I would not recommend selling your tokens or even moving wallets with them, because you want to make sure it stays on that same wallet. Now, I opened up multiple wallets, 4 of them, and you can add to your position. So that's why I told you guys, just get some Coreum on there so that wallet qualified for the first airdrop. Then as you get more money into the market, you can add Coreum to it. And the airdrop was about 50%, meaning for 1 Coreum, you got about half of a Sarah. So if you had 10,000 Coreum, you got close to 5,000 Sarah tokens. And then snapshot 3, July 17th, same type of thing as you want to stay eligible. And then October 15th is the last one. So guys, this is just me personally, but I believe in this ecosystem long term. So I'm not really selling anything. I'm looking to get more and to just make passive income by using their DAX. So let's go ahead and launch the DAX. Obviously, you're going to want to have Coreum, Pulsara, and then there's also USDC. And now the main reason we want to supply now is there's 300% more rewards for all liquidity providers for a limited time. So we want to take advantage of that. Now, if you don't have either of these, you're going to want to go to Osmosis Zone, get some Atom or Osmo from a centralized exchange and send it here. We use the Kepler wallet and the Leap wallet. If you guys are just new to cryptocurrency, I have a whole video on how to use these wallets from beginning to end, but I'm not going to do that here. I'm assuming you understand how to use Osmosis and those wallets. So, you know, you're going to get your Atom and you're going to get your Coreum, and then you trade your Atom for some Coreum by swapping it. Now, if your assets are on Osmosis, okay, I'm going to withdraw this to my wallet. There we go. And when you are in Kepler, you can see there that Coreum has moved over. Actually, I think it's easier in Osmosis in Leap to see it. So right here in the top corner, you're gonna search up Coreum and go to that chain. So you're on Coreum. And you can see here, I have over 5,000 Sarah tokens, okay? And I have those Coreum as well. So the first thing I'm going to want to do is come to Pulsara, okay? And we're going to do some pools. And I'll do the Coreum Sarah pool. So I want to click on Details. And then I'm going to, let's do like 4,000. Let's see how many that would be. So you're going to have, when you do a liquidity pool, they got to be even. So I'm going to do 4,000 Sarah and 921 Coreum to add liquidity. We'll approve that, just a penny. So make sure you guys are aware of, all right, we're done there. So we did 921 Coreum, 4,000 Sarah. Make sure you guys understand impermanent loss, meaning if one of these goes up a bunch, you could kind of miss out on some gains. You can go to the swap function if you wanted to buy more Sarah. You can do this. So let's say if I'm just going to do 100 Coreum. Click down there. That'll give me 433 Sarah. So we can swap. I don't know why that happened. Let's try it again. $999. Okay, so we made a swap. And if you want to do USDC, you could as well. If you want to do USDC, I have $15 of it. So I could do the Coreum USDC by clicking details. We'll do our max here. So if you guys did have your Coreum staked, you could unstake that if you want to, and then provide liquidity on here while they're giving away this 300% reward. So to do that, it's a lot easier to stake with Leap. So I would go to your Leap, and obviously make sure you're on Coreum. You go to stake, and you can see there I had 10,000 Coreum staked, and I've gotten about $23 in just a few weeks. So you can claim that whenever you want. You would click on each validator and then click unstake. And I'm actually going to do this right now because it takes 7 days. So I'm going to unstake my core, not to sell it or anything. I'm going to keep it on the same wallet, but then I want to provide liquidity for in the pools to get that 300% reward. Now I believe if we go to, no, it was DAX. Oh yeah, and just so you guys know, I believe this is the other tokens they're going to be having coming on to the chain. So DYDX, Band, Atom, Hulk, I think is a meme coin, Osmo, Kuji, Say, which I just did a video on. So just getting started here. I did find this. You can go to the DAX and go to staking, and then you can stake Sarah. And I'm going to pretty much do all of it. I'll do 1,500. Staking is 5 days. All right, we've successfully staked. X out of that. Stakers will be rewarded with the fees collected from the trading on the Pulsara DAX platform. It also gives you voting power if you want to. So far, 17 million have been staked. Sarah Treasury has 531 million. Okay, so you can see here, this is where your active reward pools are. So you can see here, I've already earned almost a third of a Coreum or Sarah. So I can come in here and claim those. And then your assets are just going to read what is in your wallet. So I'll do some more of this in my different wallets. All right. But if you guys want to stay up to date, go ahead and follow Pulsara on X. And they said in just 2 days, they have a registered trading volume of 109,000, outperforming the token's volume on the XRP ledger by 18%. So that's basically it, guys. You're just going to kind of have to come up with your own strategy. At least, well, the 300% is going on. I'm going to bring my Coreum into supply liquidity to get those fees. Once that slows down or comes down enough, I'll probably go back and stake it. You don't have to have it staked on the snapshot date. It just needs to be on the main chain of Coreum. So make sure it's not on Osmosis or some other chain. As long as it's on Coreum, you'll be fine. All right. Get ready, guys. The bull run's going to be huge. We'll really get kicked off this April, May after the Bitcoin halving. So right now is the time to be positioning yourselves with projects that are going to go to the moon during this next bull run. All right, guys, we'll talk to you soon. Lace up. Let's get wealthy. Peace.